Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joeboy Techie. Hope you all are doing fine. And this right here is a Redmi Earbuds 2C. Now these are the first truly wireless buds that I've actually purchased because they are priced at 1299 right now, and they've still managed to provide 12 hours of total playback with the charging case, voice assistant, an IPX4 rating, Bluetooth 5.0 and environmental noise cancellation for phone calls. So have we finally got the best truly budget wireless earphones? Let's find out. So inside this complicated box you get some ear tips, a quick start guide and the charging case that contains the wireless buds. So firstly, talking about the build quality, nothing fancy or cheap here, just a basic charging case that has an LED indicator in the front and a micro USB charging slot at the back. No cable has been provided. And for the first time, I do not mind that because we all must be having one at home already. The magnetic controls to open the case are not strong enough, but you'll eventually get used to it with time. The buds inside sit comfortably and you won't have any troubles taking them out or keeping them back in their slots from time to time. These will automatically connect when you take them out, or else just press the multifunction button for around 1 second that is available on both the earbuds. There are microphones on each of the bud that support environmental noise cancellation, and you can even use a single earbud depending on your situation. I've noticed that the build quality of the buds is quite good. They sit comfortably in my ears and they provide some decent passive noise cancellation as well, which now brings me to the sound quality, which is actually quite good. In fact, better than my expectations taking into consideration the price point. You get decent mids and lows, but the overall volume at 100% was not the loudest. The bass was good as well, no major complaints about that. Now I've been using these continuously for 2 days and I've not faced any major lag or connectivity issues while watching content on streaming platforms. Now I'm not a smartphone gamer, so I gave these to my younger brother because he plays a lot of online games, and guess what? He had a very bad experience. There was extreme audio lag issue and he could not use these for more than 5 minutes. So if you want these for gaming, then I recommend you not to buy them. Now the microphone on truly wireless buds is always a major concern for most people, and there are actually very few of them out there that have a good quality microphone. But the Redmi 2C has actually surprised me to quite an extent. Here is a demo of the microphone quality.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joeboy Techie, and this is the microphone quality of the Redmi Earbuds 2C. I'm not speaking very loudly here and the voice is quite clear. Not the best, but good enough.
Now the battery life on this could be an issue for some people because this has 4 hours of playback from each of the buds and 12 hours in total along with the charging case. And the charging time on this is 1.5 hours. So for a better experience, I recommend you to put them back in the case if not in use. Now I have experienced only 2 minor drawbacks with these truly wireless buds. The first is that the multifunction button on both the buds sometimes get accidentally pressed when you're trying to adjust them in your ears, but you'll eventually get used to it with time. The second minor drawback is that the call quality is good but not great, so the person on the receiving end might not get the best of your voice quality. In short, if you're a person who gets a lot of important phone calls, then I recommend you not to use these at that time. So my final verdict is that if you are desperately looking to buy truly wireless buds and you do not wish to spend 1,500 or more, then this is the best opportunity to grab these, as Xiaomi has not compromised on some of the key features like Bluetooth 5.0, an IPX4 rating and decent call quality. So my overall rating for the Redmi Earbuds 2C would be 4 out of 5. And yes, I'll be doing a giveaway of the Redmi Earbuds 2C, but for that I'll keep a target of 100 likes for this video. And I'll leave the rest of the information in the description. Guys, if you like this video or if you found it informative, then hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get updates about my new videos. Stay safe, take care of yourself. Till then, see you next time.